From Kumiko panels to through-inlaid cutting boards and beyond, a lot of popular projects these days call for an abundance of consistent dimension-thin strips. Trapping those thin strips between your table saw blade and the ripped fence can cause kickback. Also, tension release in the cut can cause binding and burning. It's smarter to have the strip on the offcut side of your blade, but how do you keep the thickness consistent? Woodpecker's new Thin Rip Guide is the answer. The Thin Rip Guide provides a perfectly safe stop on the offcut side of the blade that delivers the same sized strips over and over again as you move your fence closer to the blade. The Thin Rip Guide works on the offcut side of the blade, making it much safer than methods where the strip is between the saw blade and the fence. From portable job site saws to large cabinet shop saws, the Thin Rip Guide works with any saw that has a 3/8 inch by 3/4 inch miter slot with a T profile. Strips as thin as 1/32 inch and up to 1 2/4 inch can be cut, depending upon the spacing between the miter slot and the blade.